In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the account type in QuickBooks Online. This simple process allows you to manage and update your QuickBooks settings more effectively when your business needs new arrangements or structures. To begin, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. This step is straightforward. Just head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. You'll see a sign in button and you should click on that to get started. If you haven't logged into QuickBooks in a while, you might want to have your password ready as you will need it shortly. Once you've hit the sign in button, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. This ensures you're accessing the correct platform since various QuickBooks products might have different login portals or interfaces. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Make sure to type in your username and password accurately, then click Continue to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section. You can do this by simply going to the main menu. It's typically located on the left hand side of your screen. Clicking here will take you to where you can manage all your financial entries and categories. Within the Transactions section, you should look for the Chart of Accounts option. The Chart of Accounts is a crucial feature that lists all your accounts used for tracking your business's financial transactions. It's like the hub of all your financial reporting. Click on it to open the list. When you access the Chart of Accounts, you might notice a small drop-down arrow on the right side of each account listing. This drop-down is the key to accessing further settings for each account. Click on this small drop-down arrow and it will reveal additional options for you to choose from. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This option allows you to make changes to the setup of specific accounts. It's important to note that before making any changes, it's a good idea to double check the account you're selecting to edit. You wouldn't want to accidentally change the wrong account. After clicking on Edit, you'll have the option to change the account type. This is where you make the changes necessary to align the account with your current business needs. After selecting the new account type from the drop-down menu, ensure the choice aligns with how you're managing your finances. Finally, after you've made your selections and are satisfied with the account type, the last step is to save these changes. Look for the Save button and click it to update the account permanently. This step is crucial to lock in the changes you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the account type in QuickBooks Online, giving you greater flexibility in managing your business's financial structure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial simple and helpful.